Hello, welcome back to Uncle Solo's problem solving classroom again. Okay, this is probably going to be the final video for perimeter and area. This time we're going to deal with money. Okay, I have two questions here. Tom's living room is 3.25 meters wide and 9.00 meters long, and he wants to install orange carpet that costs $10 per square meter on this underlying square. How much would it cost to buy enough carpet for the living room? Versus the next question here, it says now he wants to paint the edges of the room and it costs $1.25 per. So here you don't see square here. So one of them referring to square meter, the other one doesn't. Okay, let's see the difference here. Okay, now let's begin to answer these questions. Okay, like I always tell you, go to the final part of the question here. Say, how much would it cost? We're talking about money to buy enough carpet for the living room. Okay, what is that asking? So enough carpet. If you look at it, you want to carpet the space. Okay, if you want to carpet the space, what are we talking about? Area. Okay, area. So, and then another hint that is area is the keyword square. Okay, so now we need to find the area of the room. It is 9.00 by 3.25, and we know the formula for area is length times width. So we need to multiply these two numbers right here. Okay, so it is 9.00 is just what? 9. So it is 3.25 times 9. Okay, I know you haven't done multiplication of decimals yet, just like multiplication of money. So what? I say disregard the decimals, just forget that. Forget the decimals and multiply the number, right? Multiply it, okay? You end up with 29.25. After you've done, remember there were two decimal places. These two numbers here to the right of the decimal point, 1, 2, two decimal places. After you multiply, start from here, end of the number, bring it back. 1, 2. Your final answer is 29.25. You can go to IXL 5th grade and practice this section right here. Practice it. Okay, now that is not the answer. This is just the area. Okay. The question is cost. So we're talking about money. So you're not done with answering this question. You know the area, okay, and you're told it's $10 per square meter. Okay, $10. What does it mean? That means each square meter is going to cost $10. And so, what? How much space do we have? We have what? 29.25 square meters, and each of them costs $10. So, what? We multiply by 10 by 29.25. And how do you multiply decimal by 10? Simply, simply by moving your decimal point to the right, and you get 29 to you get 292.5, which is written 292.50. Just don't worry about that zero. That's your answer. Or 29.25 times 10. I say disregard the decimal point and do 2925 times 10, which means what? Put it here, right? After that, bring your two decimal places. 1, 2. And that's your answer. So it's going to cost $292.50. Okay. So what do you need to do in this question here? Okay. You need to find the total area. When you find the total area, you're not done. You need to come and multiply by how much it costs per square unit. Multiply by, and then you get your final answer. So it's multi-step. Okay. Find the area, multiply by how much it costs per unit square, and then that's your answer. Okay. Second part. Once you paint the edges, which costs $1.25 per meter, how much would it cost to paint the edges of the room? Okay. We're going to paint the edges of the room here, there, and then back. What does that tell you? We're painting the perimeter of it. Okay. How do we find perimeter? We can add 9 to 3.25 and then 9 again and then 3.25. But like we just did in the previous video, another way is 9 plus 3.25 and then multiply by 2. Okay. So 9 plus 3.25, 9 is a whole number. Okay, since this decimal, two decimal places, I make it 0, 0. So 9.00 plus 3.25, I add it, 5, 2, I bring my decimal point, 12, 12.25. Okay, I'm not done. I need to multiply by 2. So the length plus the width is 12.25 and I multiply by 2. So it's 12.25 times 2. Okay, what did I say? I said disregard the decimal. So multiply 1225 by 2, right? And you get 2450. And after that, I say what? Bring your decimal places back. 1, 2. 2450. This is how much it's going to cost to do it. Okay, so your main exercise here today is IXL 4th grade AA.16. Do all those exercises. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to practice adding decimals or money, go to 5th grade R1 to R4 and practice it. Okay, let me know. It's another exercise too. IXL 5th grade I3. Okay, that's if you want to challenge yourself, go and practice that as well. Okay, and then IXL 5th grade R4 to R6. Okay, keep on practicing, and all things being equal, you shall what? You shall bloom, you shall fly. Have a great day. Bye bye.